Hello, welcome to TOYSREVIL. Today we'll look at SAMSAM SF Express SAMSAM made with tiny toy. I snagged this at Singapore Comic Con 2003, and I've done my unboxing in another time-lapse video. So now I'll just take a closer look at the figure itself. So yeah, put the figure aside. It has been pulled. This is the plastic that came with it. Details, interesting. SAMSAM, SF Express, tiny toy. Nice collabo. SAMSAM is a character designed by Kenny Wong. And yeah, it's like the male incarnation of, not incarnation, it's a male version of Molly. So this character is, it does describe here, but what does it say? Let me see. Doesn't really say much though. Tiny. Let's have a look at the box. It just has a code, but it doesn't say what he does. Probably I'll find it online later, but right now just have a look, turn around at this figure. It's a bit dark, so I'll brighten this in post actually. So yeah, I was pretty keen to snag a SAMSAM. I did not really expect to see this blind box here, but yeah. So this is my SAMSAM. Thank you for watching TOYSREVIL, and I will look at other toy soon. Bye bye.